Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So we all know that we have been discussing about determinants. We have finished matrices, we have started determinants, we have also finished many concepts in the determinants. Also in previous video we have started with the exercise 4.3, out of which we have finished 2 problems. So let's continue with the video with the same exercise, right? Let's take up the third problem. Okay, so what is there here in the third problem? So find the value of k. So we should find the value of k if area of triangle is 4 square units. If the area of triangle is 4 square unit, we need to find the value of k. Which k? Here the k is there in this one, and here it is there in this one, right? So k is one of the coordinate, right, of any of the vertices. We should find the value of that particular k, right? So what is given to us? Area of triangle is given. Okay, let's take up the first one. Let x1 comma y1 is equal to k comma 0, x2 comma y2 is equal to 4 comma 0, and x3 comma y3 is equal to 0 comma 2, right? So we know that area is given by half x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So this is half into, what is x1? K. What is y1? 0, 1 as it is. x2 is 4, right? y2 is 0, 1 as it is. x3 is 0, 2, 1 as it is. Okay. So this was just substituting the value of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 in k. So expanding it through first row. So what we get? Half into, okay, first one is k, right? We are expanding through first row, so first element is what? K. Okay, so k is there. Leave first row and first column. 0, 1, 2, 1, right? Minus 0, leave it. Plus 1 into 1 is there in first row and third column, so leave first row and third column. So what comes here? 4, 0, 0, 2. Okay, so this is half. 0 into 1 is 0, minus 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1 into 4 into 2 is 8, minus 0 into 0 is 0. So this is half minus 2k plus 8. So what is this area? But area is given as 4 square units. So 2 comes on this side, it will become 8 is equal to minus 2k plus 8. 8 and 8 cancels. Okay, so minus 2k is equal to 0. K is equal to 0. Right? So minus 2k is equal to 0. That means what? K is as equal to 0. So this was the value of k. This is how we should find the value of k. Okay, so let's try the second one. Okay, let x1 comma y1 is equal to minus 2 comma 0, x2 comma y2 is equal to 0 comma 4, x3 comma y3 is equal to 0 comma k. Okay, so area is given by half x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. This is nothing but half into, what is x1 y1? x1 y1 here is minus 2 comma 0. So this will be minus 2, 0 and 1 as it is. x2 y2, what is x2 y2? 0 comma 4. Here x2 y2 is what? 0 comma 4. So 0, 4, 1, and x3 by 3 is what? x3 y3 is 0 comma k. So 0 k 1. Okay. But what is area? We know that it is 4. 4 is equal to half into, expanding it through first column. We will expand it through first column. So 0 0 is there, it will become 0. Minus 2 into, minus 2 is there in first row and first column. So leave first row and first column. So if I leave first row and first column, so what will remain? First row and first column is left. 4 1 k 1 plus 0 and 0. 0 into anything is 0, 0 into anything is 0. So forget about that. Okay. So 2 and 2 cancels. So 4 is equal to minus 4 1 k 1. Right. This is equal to what? 4 1 k 1 is equal to minus 4. Right. If I open this, 4 into 1 is 4, minus k into 1 is k is equal to minus 4. Right. K take on the side, 4 you bring this side. So k is equal to 4 plus 4. So k is equal to 8. Right. This is the value of the determinant, the value of k. So I hope these problems are very much clear to you. So now you pause the video and make a note of this. So friends, I hope you have understood the previous problem. Let's see what is given in the next problem. Okay. So here what they have given, find the equation of line joining the points using determinants. Find the equation of line joining these 2 points using determinants. Right. Here two sub questions are there. So we need to solve them separately. So let's take up first one. Right. So here given points are 1, 2 and 3, 6. Okay. Let x1, y1 and is equal to 1, 2 and x2, y2 is equal to 3, 6. So x1, y1 is equal to 1, 2 and x2, y2 will take it as 3, 6. Okay. So with only 2 points we cannot find the equation of line. We should assume third point on the line. We should assume third point on the line and use the condition. When third point is assumed on the line, all 3 points will be collinear. So make use of that concept of collinear and find the equation. Okay. So let this be A, this be B. Okay. Let P x, y be the point on the line AB. Let P x, y be the point on the line AB. Right. As A, B and P are collinear points, therefore area of triangle ABC will be equal to 0. Okay, that is of x1, y1 1, x2, y2 1, x3, y3 1 will be equal to 0. What is x1? 1, y1 2 and 1 as it is. x2 is what? 3, y2 is 6, 1 as it is, right? And here x, y, not x3, y3, x, y and 1 will be equal to 0. Okay. So now this half, if I shift on the other side, that also becomes equal to 0. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 1, x, y, 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So now either you expand through any row or any column, that doesn't make any difference. So expanding through first row, plus, minus, plus. So this is equal to, what is first element? 1 into leaving first row and first column, 6, 1, y, 1, minus 2 into leaving first row and second column. So what is there? 3, 1, x, 1, plus 1 into leaving first row and third column, 3, 6, x, y. So this will be equal to 0. Now this I can write as 6 into 1 is 6, minus y into y is y. Y into 1 is y, minus 2 times of 3 into 1 is what? 3, minus x into 1 is x. So it is 3 minus x plus 3 into y is 3y minus 6x is equal to 0. 6 minus y, right? Minus 2 into plus 3, minus 6, minus into minus plus 2x plus 3y minus 6x is equal to 0. So now plus 6 cancels with minus 6, right? So 2x minus 6x minus 4x, okay, minus 4x and plus 3y, sorry, 3y minus y, it will be 2y plus 2y is equal to 0. Alright, or I can write 4x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Right? This is how we need to form the required equation, and the equation can be formed in different ways. Right? You can also express this as y is equal to mx plus c form, or 4x is equal to 2y, or simplest thing, still we can reduce it, 2x minus y is equal to 0. This is the main required thing. So you can write it as y is equal to 2x or y is equal to mx plus c. Any form you can express it. Okay, this is how it will be there. So now pause the video and make a note of this. And the second one, it is also similar. On the similar basis, you can try the second one. So you can note this for yourself, right, as work for you. Okay, so now pause the video and make a note of this. So friends, so I hope you have understood the previous one. So let's proceed to the next problem. Okay, so what is there in this problem? So area of triangle is given as 35 square unit and vertices is given as 2, minus 6, 5, 4 and k, 4. Then the value of k, we should find it. So how to find the value of k? It is an objective based question, right? So one thing, whenever they ask you the value of k, whenever the value of k is asked, so what you should do is, as we know that area is never negative, so whatever value comes inside, it should be put in the mod, right? So that the value inside the mod should be taken as positive as well as negative, only for the problems containing the finding the value of k. So in previous problem, so there is in third problem, we have solved some similar problem where area was given and we were asked to find the value of k. So in that case, whether you consider positive or negative, so you will get the same answer. So I have not considered that one, right? So but now here, let's see if we consider positive and negative part, how we will get it. So don't worry about that. I will tell you what is the positive and negative, where it should be considered. Okay. So let x1 comma y1 is equal to 2 comma minus 6, x2 comma y2 is equal to 5 comma 4 and x3 comma y3 is equal to k comma 4. Now area is given by half x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So what is the area there? Given as 35 is equal to 1 upon 2. What is x1? x1 y1 is 2 minus 6, 1 as it is. x2 y2 is 5, 4, 1 as it is. x3 y3 is k, 4, 1 as it is. Now I can rearrange this as 2 minus 6, 1, 5, 4, 1, k, 4, 1 as equal to 70. Okay, as equal to 70. So now see, you can expand it through any row or any column. There is no difference over there, right? So let's expand it through first row. So what do we get? Minus 2 we are having here. Okay, we are having minus this plus. What are the symbols will be there? Plus, minus, plus. So plus 2 into leave first row and first column. So what will be the value? 4, 1, 4, 1 minus of minus 6. So leave first row and second column. So what will be there here? 5, 1, k, 1 plus 1 into leave first row and third column. So what remains? 5, 4, k, 4. Right? This is equal to how much? 70. That is equal to how much? It is equal to 70. Okay. Now this part becomes 0 because both the rows, row 1 and row 2 are identical. So no need to worry about that. Minus of minus 6 plus 6. 5 into 1 is 5. Minus k into 1 is k. Okay. Plus 1 into 5 into 4 is 20. Minus 4 into k is 4k is equal to 70. So 30, 6 into 5 is 30 minus 6k plus 20 minus 4k is equal to 70. So I can write minus 6k minus 4k minus how much? Minus 10k plus 50 is equal to 70. Right? So minus 10k plus 50 is equal to 70. What will be my minus 10k? So my minus 10k shifted on the other side and 70 shifted on this side. So it will be 10k is equal to minus 20. So when 10k is equal to minus 20, right? When 10k will become equal to, okay, minus 20. So what will be the value of k? When 10k becomes equal to minus 20, k will be equal to minus 2. Right? K is equal to what? Minus 2. Wherever we having minus 2? In option B, option C and option D. Right? But this is not the only case. When minus 10k is equal to, when 10k is equal to 20, you get minus 20, you get this plus 2. Right? This thing you should put it in the mod. This entire thing should be put in the mod. Okay? So now minus 10k plus 50. Right? So considering this as positive, so what will be minus 10k plus 50 is equal to 70. This implies minus 10k is equal to 20. That is 70 minus 50 is 20. This implies k is equal to minus 2. That is when I have considered this as positive. Right? This is positive part as it is. When I consider this as negative, minus of minus 10k plus 50 is equal to 70. Right? So then what will be my value? 10k minus 50 is equal to 70. Right? So 10k will be equal to 70 plus 50, 120. K will be equal to 12. Right? So whenever you get the value of, you get a question where you need to find the value of k. So what you should do? First consider whatever is there as it is, then whatever is there as negative, then calculate the value. So whatever you got is minus 2 and 12. So where do we have minus 2 and 12? That is option D. So this may be a little bit confusing for you people. Whatever you get here, right? Whatever you get in this determinant, okay? So this determinant product, right? So don't shift this 50 and take, then consider minus there, right? Don't do that. Whatever is there in this determinant, everything you put it in positive and negative, okay? Then you will get the values, right? I hope the problem is clear. So with that, this exercise is finished. With that, the problems related to area of triangle is also finished. So now what you need to do is, as usual, in every video I say, refer more and more number of books, so that you will get more and more number of problems, more and more number of doubts you will come across. So you can discuss those doubts in the comment box. I will get back to you as usual. Okay, so right now we will finish the video here. In the upcoming sessions, we will start with a new topic, that is minors and cofactors. Right, so till then we'll take a leave. Right, so take care, goodbye.